Hey everyone, today we are diving into the world of gaming peripherals with the Razer Viper V3 Pro. If you're a gamer looking for the ultimate edge in gaming performance, this mouse might be the game changer you need.
Wait, so this mouse is gonna make me a gaming pro overnight?
Well, it won't turn you into a pro overnight, Tom, but it will definitely help you get there faster. The Razer Viper V3 Pro is designed with esports in mind, offering precision, speed, and comfort. It features Razer's new Focus Pro 35K optical sensor, which can go up to 35,000 dpi. This is incredibly high sensitivity. Plus, we have got a special product link in the description box down below for the Razer Viper V3 Pro and all the other mice we are going to compare it against, where you can find more details about this mouse. Besides, you can possibly find out some discounts over there.
Sweet, I love a good deal almost as much as I love pounding nudes.
Stick around as we break down everything you need to know about the Razer Viper V3 Pro. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. It might as well, Tom. This mouse is also extremely lightweight. At just 54 grams, it's designed for quick, precise movements, making it perfect for high-speed gaming.
So it's light, it's fast. Does it look cool too? Does it have those flashy lights?
Surprisingly no, the Viper 3 Pro takes a different approach from typical Razer products. It has a minimalistic design without RGB lighting. It's all about performance here, not flashy aesthetics.
Whoa, that's unusual for Razer. They love their lights and colors.
Exactly, Tom. The focus is on delivering top performance with features like symmetrical, ambidextrous shape, and Razer's Generation 3 optical switches for a responsive click. It's built for esports professionals.
Sounds serious. How about the tech specs? Any other impressive numbers?
Definitely, the Viper V3 Pro comes with a maximum speed of 750 IPS and can handle up to 70 G acceleration. It supports various polling rates up to 8,000 Hz wirelessly, ensuring incredibly smooth and responsive tracking.
8,000 Hz? My head is spinning just thinking about it. So if I'm playing against someone with this mouse, I don't stand a chance, huh?
It's pretty advanced, Tom. This high polling rate means the mouse sends data to your computer 8,000 times per second, which is crucial for competitive gaming, where every millisecond counts.
So if I'm playing against someone with this mouse, I don't stand a chance, right?
It certainly gives an edge, Tom, but remember, skill matters too. Now let's talk about performance. This mouse is excellent for fast-paced games like Counter-Strike 2 and Overwatch 2. Its lightweight design and high precision make it ideal for quick maneuvers and accurate aiming.
Does it work well for other tasks, like browsing or working?
It's designed primarily for gaming, Tom. While it's great for games, it might not be the best for everyday tasks because it lacks some versatility features like Bluetooth and more customizable DPI button placement.
So it's not best for scrolling through memes all day, huh?
Exactly, Tom. Now let's get to the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, this includes its lightweight design, high DPI and polling rates, and the top-tier optical sensor. It also has excellent build quality and feels very responsive.
And the cons?
As for the cons would be the lack of RGB lighting, which some gamers might miss, and the fact that it's not very versatile for non-gaming tasks. It's also quite expensive, especially since it comes only with hyper-polling wireless dongle.
That's not exactly a budget-friendly option.
No, it's priced at around $160, which is on the higher end for gaming mice, but for those who need top performance, it can be worth it.
How does it compare to other mice out there?
Good question. Compared to the Logitech G Pro X, Superlight 2, or the glorious Model D2, the Viper V3 Pro holds its own with its high DPI and polling rates. However, those other mice might offer better value if you consider features like RGB lighting and more versatile use cases.
So you're saying, if I'm not a hardcore gamer, I might find better options?
Exactly, Tom. For everyday use or even casual gaming, there are other mice out there that might offer better value, but for competitive gaming, the Viper V3 Pro is hard to beat.
Sounds like it's really for the pros then. But if I wanted the best for my gaming sessions, would that be the one?
Yes, Tom, if you are looking for a high-performance mouse that delivers exceptional precision and responsiveness for competitive gaming, the Razer Viper V3 Pro is a top contender.
Got it, man. And for those watching, if you are interested in getting that Razer Viper V3 Pro, check out the link in the description box down below. Ben might even have some discounts lined up for you.
That's right, Tom. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews from Blind Master, and happy gaming!
And happy scrolling, even if it's not with RGB lights.